What is copy trading and how is it profitable? Copy trading is the act of copying someone else's trades, someone that is profitable of course. Copy trading is extremely profitable because if you find wallets which have a high win rate and ROI, then you save the time studying on how to trade and placing the trade, it's all done automatically. How to find profitable wallets, DexScreener. I will now show you how to find great wallets to copy. First, you want to go to the DexScreener website linked in the description and look for coins tagged as trending. When you're looking for trending coins, my rule is to always make sure the liquidity is more than 250k. If it's not more than 250k, then the wallet you're copy trading can change the price of the coin too much for you to make profit. Once you're on the coins page, click Top Traders. This will be where all the top traders of the coin are, and where we will be noting wallets. You want to find wallets that bought and sold the same amount. If they do not buy and sell the same amount, it is more than likely a developer, or someone who has airdropped the coin. You of course don't want to copy trade that wallet. Some more criteria for wallets you want to look for are wallets that started with a trade between $150 to $500 and ended with a trade of a much higher multiplier. One last thing you want to watch out for is a wallet that does a ton of transactions and has a high PNL. These are MEV wallets. MEV wallets are bots that buy in between the end of a block on the blockchain. It's pretty easy to spot one. MEV wallets can't be scanned, so we will skip these. The last criteria is only optional, but it can help you. You want to find wallets that trade at the same capital that you have. You obviously don't want to have one sold to trade and copy trade someone who has 1,000 sold to trade. That's simply illogical. Once you've found a decent wallet, click the Explorer button and copy the address like so. Store this in a notepad or somewhere you can access it again. How to find profitable wallets, Dune. I am now going to show you another way to find great wallets, but you can skip to the next section of the video if you prefer this method or if you already have some wallets to check. This method is really simple. You start by going to the Dune link in the description, and scroll to the bottom section called Degen Leaderboards. Now, you want to click the sell volume text. This will sort by the least and most sell volume. Now, you want to scroll through the pages and find wallets that have traded recently and most importantly have more sell volume than buy volume. You'll be looking for the same thing that you're looking for but on a different website, wallets that started with a trade between $150 to $500 and ended with a trade of a much higher multiplier. If they haven't traded in the last day, then I recommend trying to find a different one. This is time consuming, so don't expect to find a really great wallet in the first 5 minutes of searching. To check a wallet, click the Zelfie Guru link in the description and do /check and then the wallet address. Before you do, please note that as a free user you will only be allowed 3 scans/day. As a premium user, you can do infinite scans every day. In fact, you don't even need to do scans as a premium users because they send profitable wallets all the time. Look in this channel inside of the premium group, there are tons of profitable wallets I can copy trade right now. If you want to buy, click the link in the description and click the buy button on the bot. It only costs $59. If you don't subscribe to premium, make sure that each wallet you check is a wallet that you have good faith in. Now that you've scanned the wallet, you want to check there all of the information on the wallet. Some good signs that the wallet is profitable is if you see multiple green dots on the 7 days profit. The dots represent days that the wallet has made profit. If they are yellow, that means they didn't trade on that day. If the last day or 3 days have been red/yellow, you more than likely want to avoid this wallet. You want to make sure they have a decent amount of Solana in profit over the last 7 days, as well as make sure that their ROI is more than 60%, win rate more than 60 or 50%, whatever you prefer. You also want to watch out for tokens that they didn't buy. This simply means they sold tokens that they never bought. That means they were airdropped the tokens, and should not be considered profit. You can make your own assessment on the wallet, but this is some basic criteria I follow myself. I always look for a wallet that holds for a decent period of time. You don't want wallets that snipe tokens because that can be risky for a copy trader. Finally, make sure that the wallet has 50% or more of their trades in the blue, green, and rocket section. You can see what these emojis mean here. If they follow all the criteria, then congrats. You found a really profitable wallet. How to start copy trading. To start copy trading the wallets you found to be profitable, click the Trojan bot link in the description and follow these steps. 1. Deposit some Solana to get started. 2. Click Copy Trade. 3. Click New. 4. Click Tag and name it to something you can remember. I name mine by the coin they have traded. 5. Click Target Address and enter the address. 6. Click By Percentage and enter 0.01. That's my recommendation for new wallets. You can increase the amount to buy with depending on your capital and how confident you are in the wallet you're copy trading. The better the wallet does over time, the more you want to add. Goes the same for wallets that don't perform well. 7. Click Add. After that, you are all done. Now when the wallet selected makes a trade, you will make the same trade with your selected buy amount. It will also close trades that the wallet closes so that you can gain capital. If you find a good wallet, then this can prove to be insanely profitable. You can view your positions by using /positions, and your balance by doing /start. If you want a tutorial on how to use Trojan, I have linked a playlist reviewing the bot in its entirety.